Hello friends, hope you all good in this pandemic situation. And here I'm going to talk about the Crade app. The Crade app, generally this is a pay bill app. How we can use the credit card and all, and how to pay the bills and all on time. So with the help of this app, we can pay the bills. So here I'm just going to talk about this app because I heard from many people like they don't know how to redeem the points and how to get the benefits from this app, how we can redeem some points and how we can get some cash back with the help of this Crade app. So for this, what exactly you have to do, because here I already downloaded this app. So the thing is that you need to, like, first of all you have to go to the Play Store, and in that Play Store you can click the Crade. And because I already downloaded this one, so I can just open on this one. And because it's already like I already provided my few details. If you'll go to my profile section, you can see the few details like my mobile number and my name will appear on the top of the screen. You can see Amarendra Ranjan, and my uh, what to say, that mobile number is there. So the thing is that you have to enter some few details over there: your name, first name, last name, your mobile number. You will get the OTP for verification. After that you can come to this screen only. So then after, just go to the home screen. This is the home screen. Home screen will appear like this, because here I'm using some 5 6 credit cards, so you can see some bills are there already appearing over here. In the second option, like bottom just ahead of home screen, you can see cards. So if you click over there, you will get, because I'm using some Citibank, SBI, Axis Bank, or HDFC, MX card is there, HDFC, some instant jumbo loans are there. So you can see these cards will appear over there. Because the thing is that you can add the cards manually also over here. You can see the bottom one, add now option is there. So you can click over here, and you can add the few details and you can add the card. But while entering the some few details on the initial level only, these cards will be included over here in the Crade app. So I can tell you about how you can redeem the points, because if you click on the money section, you can see what are the terms and conditions are there, how to scope of app services. There are a lot of things are there. No need to read all these things, because there are a lot of things, how to use tax liability things are there. So now I'm talking about the how do you can redeem the points. So you can see on the top of the screen, the profile is there, stories is there, notification is there. So notification, why it's appear, because recently I paid some bills, like yesterday, day before yesterday, because my bill time is like 1st June, 2nd June, or like every first of the month, or 29th of the last month. So few bills are there, so that I paid. So you can see the notification on that notification path, by clicking on that. So now I'm talking about the like how you will get the money back or cash back. So you can see on the top right, that control button is there. You can click on that control button. By clicking on that control button, you can see there are a lot of options like credit card. You can see the credit coins also. I'm having some around 7,86,000 coins, because I already paid the bills around this. 1 rupees is equal to 1 coin. Check bank balance and track mutual fund payment and visit stores. These things are there. Refer to credit, you can refer to anybody, and you can just take some cashback over there also. You can see on the top second one, right side, explore reward option is there. In that explore reward option, you have to click on that. After clicking on that, you can see these options are coming. You have to go to below only, because I already on the below side. That's what it looks like this. So you have to go below, and by going below, you have to you can see here, like earn up to 1 lakh, earn up to 10,000, earn up to 5,000, and here you can see earn up to 1,000 also. Yani ki if you will click on that, you can earn up to 1,000. So these are the like monies that what exactly you have to pay. Suppose here earn up to 5,000 is there, you have to click on that. Now the thing is that here, make a minimum payment of rupees 5,000 to unlock this mystery cashback. So for this cashback, it is not necessary you will get 5,000 cashback. You will get some 10 rupees, 12 rupees, 14 rupees, 20 rupees. One time I got 1,000 rupees cashback. That is like one time, 1 year back only, 1.5 year back. That time I got 1,000 cashback. But nowadays it's not coming like 1,000 cashback. It is in the initial level only, like some 2 years back only. But now you will get some like 14 rupees, 15 rupees. If you you pay the bill of the 1,000 rupees, you will get around 8 rupees or 7 rupees. I can say so you practically see here. I already paid some two bills of 1,000 rupees. It's a two available, it's showing over here only. So you can click over there. Here it's showing like this, earn up to 1,000. So just scroll down this 1,000 rupees down. So here you can see, like, if you by scrolling down 1,000, that one, so you won like 6 rupees. So for both the case I got that 6 rupees only, because I'm having two availabilities of that 1,000 rupees. So now like that only you can do the things, and you can earn some cashback, like how here I got that and those cashbacks and all. So here two again here, like, earn up to 1,000 rupees is available over here. So you can click over there and you can get some 1,000 rupees. You have to pay the bill of 1,000 rupees at least, like whatever the bills you have. So this 5,000 appears when you have to pay at least 5,000, then only you will get the cashback. So for that you have to click pay now, then you will go to that specific card, and whatever the card you have, that you want to pay the bill, that you can do. For earn up to 10,000 is written, so you can click over there. So for this you have to pay at least 20,000 minimum. So you have to click on that pay now, and you will get the card, whatever the card you have to. Suppose here 1,000 that I have to pay due in 6 days. So next couple of days I have to pay, so I have to click on that, because this time I don't have that much of enough balance, so I can't do. But you can click on that pay now. You have the few options, like to pay. Just enter the total amount if you want to pay. If you want to pay the minimum, you can just click on that. If you want to pay the other amount, like 5,000, 10,000, or whatever, you can mention here and you can proceed. You will get some more options, like how to pay the things. You think you will get all those options on that screen, like proceed to pay, and you can just put the your that UPI number, UPI code, and you can go ahead like that for paying the things. If you want to see the view all, you can see all the other options: phone pay, Google Pay, or credit UPI is there, or other Access Bank or SDFC or any other net bank, whatever the options you have. So you can do that as well. So these are the few options that you can utilize with that. And apart from that, there's no other things. So this is the things, and what I wanted to try. And we have some other benefits as well, so that we can take out. When you download this app, you can able to understand the things, and I will provide the link for that create app. You can download from the description also. So please press like or subscribe my channel if you feel like this solves your query and all. So hope I understand and I clear your queries and all. If you have any concerns or any points, you can just make it in the comment section. So thanks a lot for that watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye.